The 2015 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, rear window wiper. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.